Today we start our video with a sad news, because we announce the death of Fire TV Sticks. How it came about, what it all means, you will find out now. We are writing the month of November 2025. This is the end of Fire TV Sticks. The whole thing started so well. Sales without end, an increase without end. The Fire TV Stick was the most popular way to make a smart TV out of an old TV. And the apps like Blink Streams, FlixVision, LiveNet TV and Ocean Streams made the start. After you installed them, you could only uninstall them. These apps could not be opened at all. As of July 2025, there were reports that the Fire TV Sticks had more apps disabled. So you could install the apps, but not open them. There are countless instructions and tips and tricks on YouTube on how to deal with the whole thing. With the app cloner, with another version that you have to install and so on. But now normal apps are also blocked. Not only the streaming apps, but also normal apps are blocked. Where you should actually be able to download them without any problems. This is no longer possible either. On Amazon there is the 4K Select Stick on offer. I bought this one and wanted to test what options there are. Whether you can handle the whole thing and what is possible with this stick. So in the settings, My Fire TV. And here you give the pin, which you have previously set. And if you are in here, then there is this point here, Info. And here you have to press 5 times until you are a developer. And if you go back to the developer options now. Hold on. Here there is no longer the point to install unknown apps. This is possible with the other models that you say install unknown apps. Nevertheless, you have to help yourself with the app cloner and much more. But here even the point is gone, install unknown apps. And even worse, if you are looking for an app now, it will not appear at all. And that's the worst thing ever. An app that everyone knows, the downloader. Here it is shown to me immediately. As soon as I click on it, there is nothing. That means I can't even download the ridiculous downloader here. This one is also locked. I don't know why, but even the downloader is locked here. And so this thing is worthless to me and ends up in the trash can. What should I do with a stick where everything is blocked? So Amazon is digging its own grave. There may still be one or the other. He says I only need Netflix and Disney Plus and the common apps. But everything else is blocked and so Amazon will lose many customers. But do not despair, because here is the secret weapon. The SRT41 from Strong. It teaches the fireworks stick to fear. And why that is, we'll show you now. The SRT41 is an Android stick from Strong. This one is ultra fast, has 4K resolution and here you can download absolutely any app. And by any I mean any app. You see how fast I can open everything here. I can open and download any app here in seconds. Let's go to the apps and look for an app that everyone knows. What we couldn't do before with the Fire Stick. We try here and that is of course the downloader. Everyone should know the downloader. This is an app with which I can download apps. For example, by going directly to the website as an APK or with the code itself. As you can see, here is the downloader. I can download and install it right now. And not only that, I can open the app right away, which is not possible with the Fire Stick. The downloader is downloaded here. This is now installed. Open and you see, it works without problems. I'll go through an app with you before I tell you where you can buy the whole thing and what this stick can do. In principle, it is nothing more than the Fire Stick, only that we have an open system here. We have Android 11 as the operating system and we can download any app here. We can play our smartphone and much more. Here in the channel I have already presented this stick to you several times. We download the next app and we will also be able to install it here without effort. That's exactly what I need and not any stick where I can't install anything anymore because everything is locked. This is Kodi, for example. Kodi must not be missing on any stick, on any Android box. Kodi is also possible to install here. And that's really fast. You now have two options. Either you continue to play with the Fire Stick, where you install various apps and uninstall them and clone them and rename them. Or you get the stick from Strong, the SRT41, and then you have peace of mind. Kodi also works effortlessly, without any problems, without having to change anything. That's why I already love this stick. It is fast and, as already mentioned, I can install any app here. Here we have opened Kodi. We link you where you can buy the whole thing. The stick costs around 49 euros, but it is worth every cent if you consider what you can do with it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.